Okay, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a at-home nail tutorial. Let me close my door because my mom decides to bop to the Migos 2 minutes before I want to record a video. So I'll be back. That's better or whatever. So basically, I'm gonna do like an at-home routine on like how you can do your nails at home instead of going to like a salon or wherever you guys go, like a nail salon, because I don't want to spend $30+ every time I want to get my nails done when I can just buy the stuff that costs less than $30, like less than $15, and do them at home. Okay, so yeah, let me just show you guys what I use. All the packs are literally right here, but they all come in this bag. It's a beauty and salon nail art by Macart, made in China. It's the ballerina style. Like I get these on Amazon, and I don't know if you guys know her, but her name is Tina Halada, and she is a beauty guru on YouTube. She does her nails at home, and she recommended these along with these clipper things. So I got them. When you're on Amazon, you can pick what style you want. They have like all different types. They have coffin, they have ballerina, they have stiletto, they have rounded, they have almond, they have like French tips. All types of styles and lengths, and I just got the ballerina style because I would like to like trim them and shape them myself, but I like the length. This is like the length, so if it goes on my nail, it's gonna be like this, which I'm not gonna keep that long, I'm gonna cut it, but yeah, I like that length. So okay, so I'm gonna switch you guys to the other side and like on my nails so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So my money there side, hey, flexing on the gram, like hit that little John, okay, okay, and then we dripping finesse and getting paid. Okay. I hope you guys can see my nails good. My tripod only goes down like a certain like length, so I'm gonna have to like squeeze my hands in like this. But basically, these are the little packets that the nails come in, and it's labeled like 1 through, I don't know, 10 maybe. And yeah, they just come like this. They're all different sizes, and basically you can just pick the sides. These are the ones I'm using for my thumbnail. I think it's size, I totally forget, but I'm gonna put, I layer them, so I put 2 on each finger, like that. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them on, and I'm gonna file them and stuff like that. So I'll be right back. What I ended up doing is I put the first base nail, and then I took another nail and kind of like layered it to the point where this is one nail and the other nail is underneath. That's why one's longer than the other. And then I'm just gonna blend these together with filing and trim this down so you can't even tell, just so that it's thicker and more acrylic like. So I'm gonna do that to the other nails, and I will be right back. After applying all the nails to my actual nail and filing them, blending them and stuff, it should look like this. It looks really messy and scratchy, but the polish is going to cover that anyways. But it should look like this. And then after this, you just paint them. I like to do a clear coat first, then a coat of nail polish, like 2 coats of nail polish depending on the opacity of the polish, and then another clear coat, and then yes, I will show you guys the finishing results. Okay, so after you paint them, they should look like this. Yeah, they look a little weird because they're still drying, but yeah, this is what they should look like.
So yes, that was how I do my at-home nails instead of going to the nail salon. I feel like it's a lot better because you can make them your way. You don't have to like worry about people messing up on your nails and then having to pay for them to fix it, or And it's like for the bag of nails, the glue and the clip, it was less than like $15. So you save a lot of money. You can do it as many times you want. If one comes on off, you just glue it back on. So I feel that is a lot better than getting them professionally done. Like I did a better job than a lot of those people do. So kudos to me or whatever. But yeah, that's how I do my at-home nails. If you guys like this video, you guys can give it a thumbs up if you want to, and you can also subscribe if you want to. No pressure, no pressure. We're all good over here. This little circle that I have, we're all good. We're good. We're positive. We like memes. We are that bitch. So if you want to join the that bitch club. So yes, also if you'd like, it would really help if you guys drop down video suggestions that you guys would want me to make. I will make them. I'm thinking about my next video. I really want to do a tutorial, so that should be up in the next couple of days. This video should be up today, which, what's today, Wednesday. So yes, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next couple of weeks, couple of days. Peace.